Let's draw this object in front of us using the coil command in Inventor. So since we are using millimeters, so you're gonna come here with a metric, standard in millimeters, then you're gonna say create. So here we are going to start with circles. So there is my first one, then comes my second one. This one here needs to be 60 millimeters, and that one needs to be 50. All right. After that, I'm gonna come for this rectangle. So this rectangle needs to be 15 millimeters. Good. And from here to there, I need to have 7.5. All right. After that, I'm gonna go on circular pattern. I want to multiply this by 4 times. So there, I'm gonna have this one 4 times around this circle. So against the axis, I'm gonna choose the axis. So in this case, our axis is that one over there. Okay, so it will be 4. Then I'm gonna have 4 times that square. Then I'm gonna say okay. All right. And after that, I'm gonna go on 3D model. I'm gonna click on extrude. Then I'll extrude this circle. All right, I'll come there. Then I'll say 5, okay, and 65 the other way, like that. All right. Then I'll say plus. Now I need to cut this circle inside there. So I can apply the same theory. There I can put 10. Then I'm gonna cut it like that. All right. Can you see this? All right. Then I'll say okay. After that, I'm gonna come on sketch. Then I'll say visibility on. I want to see those squares. Then I'll go on 3D model. I'm gonna click on coil. Now I want to multiply that square, that one, and this square, as well as this one. Actually, I want it to go around. So when I use a 200 millimeter pitch, and the turn gonna be 0.29 turn. Okay, against this is my axis. What is it? X. There it is. Then I'll say okay. Now this is how it looks like. All right. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna remove the visibility. I say visibility off. Then I'm going to try to kill the corner there by creating fillets. That's when I want to have 6 millimeter there. So 6 millimeter. Okay. The same applies there as well as there. So you want to do it all around, you know, where you have this sharp corners. Okay, everywhere. All right. This might take a bit of time, but hey, what do you have to lose? Then once you finish with this, you are going to choose the material. So we are going to go with gold, but before I get there, I'm killing these corners by creating fillets. Okay, the same applies there. Okay, I'll do the same here. All right, I'll come this side as well. Okay, so where is it? So there, everywhere. All right, here as well, you can see there. Okay, so you have it. Come on. There, right, and here. If we kill the corners everywhere, no, we need to kill that one, the sharp corner there. All right. Now that we have this, okay, we've killed the corners everywhere. We're gonna say, okay. Now you want to create fillets there, as well as here and there, but now we're having a radius of 1 millimeter. See, okay. Then after that, you're gonna choose the material. So you come here, you're gonna go for gold. Where is gold? There you go. Okay. You see, this is how beautiful your object looks like. If you want to go more or furthermore, you can come here and choose whatever color that you want to have inside there. That one for me is okay. Then I'll say okay. Right? Can you see that? It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're going to enjoy it. For now, I'm going to ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.